Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Juana and today I'll be presenting you a modern and cozy apartment in Roquetas de Mar, Almeria, Spain that I personally believe it can be a great investment opportunity. Let's check it out. Property counts with one bathroom with shower, cozy and comfy living room with access to the terrace and plenty of natural light, totally modernized kitchen fully equipped, two bright bedrooms, the main one with lined built-in wardrobe and plenty of natural light also. Double-glazed UPVC windows, mosquito screen, blinds, two air conditioners and floating floors all over the house. If you don't like eating inside or just want to chill out, you can enjoy an 18-meter terrace with street view. Shared swimming pool, tennis and paddle court, parking and shared storage room. We are at only 2 minutes walking from the Playa Serena beach, and this property has been completely reformed in 2013 and very well taken advantage of. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 86 square meter, and it's currently on the market for 95,000 euros. Well, that was about it for today. If you have liked our videos, please comment below and tell us what kind of properties would you like to see in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye bye!